Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student at the university.
What do you study at the university?
I study English and history.
Why are you studying English?
Because I want to travel abroad.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Is your brother older or younger than you?
He is younger than me.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, I'm very close to them.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy today.
Why are you happy today?
I'm happy because today is Friday.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Where do you live?
I live on Green Street, near the park.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a house.
Is your house big or small?
My house is small.
How many rooms does your house have?
My house has 5 rooms.
Do you have a garden in your house?
Yes, I have a small garden in my house.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Laura.
Where does she live?
She lives near my house.
Do you see her every day?
Yes, we see each other every day.
Where do you see each other?
We see each other at school.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran.
Have you ever been to his concert?
No, but I would love to go someday.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like it a lot.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Was yesterday a busy school day?
Yes, we had 2 tests yesterday.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mr. Brown.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to London.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
No, I haven't, but I want to.
Did you travel on your last vacation?
Yes, I went to the beach.
Was it fun?
Yes, it was relaxing and sunny.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you wake up early on weekends?
No, I wake up late on weekends.
Do you like weekends?
Yes, I love weekends.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I stay home and watch TV.
Can you visit me tomorrow?
Yes, I can visit you after school.
Shall we study together?
Yes, that's a great idea.
Have you prepared your notebook?
Yes, I have it ready.
Are we ready to start?
Yes, we are ready.
What do you do on your phone?
I send messages and watch videos.
Did you call your friend today?
Yes, I called her this morning.
Do you like social media?
Yes, I like sharing photos.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, but I eat it only sometimes.
What is your favorite fast food?
I like burgers and fries.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like to cook simple meals.
Did you cook last night?
Yes, I did.
What did you cook?
I cooked rice and beans.
Was it tasty?
Yes, it was very good.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you paint every week?
Yes, I paint on Sundays.
Did you paint something new?
Yes, I painted a flower.
Could you show it to me?
Of course.
Have you ever traveled by plane?
Yes, I have traveled once.
Where did you go?
I went to Japan.
Was it a long flight?
Yes, it was very long.
How long was the flight?
It lasted 12 hours.
Are your parents at home now?
Yes, they are in the kitchen.
What are they doing?
They are having dinner.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Sophia.
How old is she?
She is 49 years old.
What does she do?
She is a nurse.
What did you do last night?
I studied for my English exam.
Did you pass the exam?
Yes, I did.
Was it difficult?
Yes, a little.
Did you studied hard for it?
Yes, I studied every day.
Could you help me study too?
Yes, I can share my notes.
Would you like to celebrate?
Yes, we can have cake.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like to eat hamburger and fries.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Is the coffee hot?
Yes, it is very hot.
Is the supermarket open?
Yes, it is open until 10 p.m.
Is it far from here?
No, it's about a 5-minute walk from here.
Where did you go last night?
I went to the movies last night.
Was the movie good?
Yes, it was a really good movie.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready.
Are we late?
No, we are right on time.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is very cold this morning.
Should I bring a jacket?
Yes, I think you should.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I'm a little thirsty.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, I would love a cup of tea.
Are you hot?
No, I'm fine.
May I open the window?
Yes, you may open it if you want.
How much does it cost?
It's $45.
Can I pay by credit card?
Certainly. We accept all major cards.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
It is next to the supermarket.
Could you tell me how to get there?
Yes, go straight and turn left.
Will it be sunny tomorrow?
Yes, it will be sunny all day.
Why don't we go to the park?
Sure, we can go.
How about a picnic?
That's an excellent idea.
Is the park far from here?
No, it is very close.
Do you like sunny or rainy days?
I prefer sunny days.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Who did you spend last Christmas with?
I spent it with my family.
Was it cold yesterday?
Yes, it was very cold all day.
Was the weather nice last weekend?
Yes, it was sunny and warm.
Does it rain a lot here?
Yes, it rains almost every day.